Installing the Coway Aquamega 100 countertop water filtration system is quick and easy. Follow these steps to install and use your water purifier in minutes. Here's what you'll need to get started. 1 faucet-mounted diverter, 3 faucet adapters, 1 T-valve, 1 drain hose, 1 6.5-foot tubing, 2 L fittings, 3 filters already inside your Coway Aquamega 100. The Coway Aquamega 100 water purifier has 2 installation options. First, we will show you the installation using the faucet diverter, followed by an alternate under-the-sink installation option. To begin installation with the faucet diverter, locate and remove the original aerator from the faucet by turning it. Insert a rubber washer into the threaded side of one of the provided faucet diverters. Next, connect the diverter to the faucet by hand tightening. Be sure to seal the diverter tightly, otherwise water may leak. Do not over-tighten. Next, insert one end of the tubing into the diverter, then locate the plug on the back of the Coway Aquamega 100 and insert the open side of the tubing. You may use the L fitting to connect the tubing if needed. Be sure that the tubing is fully inserted, otherwise water may leak. Move the Coway Aquamega 100 over the sink and point the diverter switch up to the faucet. Turn on the cold water and point the diverter switch to the tubing to allow water to flow into the Coway Aquamega 100. Please note, the Coway Aquamega 100 should be used with cold water only. Turn the knob on the top of the Coway Aquamega 100 to dispense water into the sink. Let your Coway Aquamega 100 run for 10 minutes to flush the system and activate the filters. Then point the diverter to the faucet and turn off the cold water. Your Coway Aquamega 100 installation is now complete. To install your Coway Aquamega 100 via the under-the-sink installation, please complete the following steps. Please note, the Coway Aquamega 100 should only be connected to cold water. To begin, turn off the cold water supply under the sink at the shutoff valve. Then, turn on the faucet to drain any residual water. Turn off the faucet when the residual water has drained. Using a wrench, disconnect the cold water supply line from the shutoff valve. Insert the rubber washer into the provided T-valve and connect it to the cold water shutoff. Reconnect the water supply hose to the top of the T-valve using a wrench to ensure the connection is tight. Otherwise, water may leak. Do not over-tighten. Locate the provided tubing and insert it into the plug at the back of the Coway Aquamega 100. You may use the L fitting to connect the tubing if needed. Then, position the Coway Aquamega 100 over the sink. Next, you will need to create a hole in your counter for the tubing to come through. In this example, we are drilling a 1/4-inch hole into our countertop before pushing the tubing through the hole. If drilling a new hole is required for installation, please consult a professional. Under the sink, insert the open end of the tubing into the open end of the T-valve. Point the T-valve switch up to the cold water supply hose and turn on the cold water supply valve. Be sure to check for leaks. Next, point the T-valve switch to the tube to run cold water through the Coway Aquamega 100 system. With the Coway Aquamega 100 over the sink, turn the knob to on. Let your Coway Aquamega 100 run for 10 minutes to flush the system and activate the filters. To stop the flow of water, turn the knob to off. Your Coway Aquamega 100 installation is now complete. Enjoy your clean water.